Hello children, let us continue our chapter Time Goes On. Today we will study very interesting part of the chapter where we will find answers based on the given calendar and we will learn some magic using calendar. So let's start. We are having calendar of the year 2018. We have to see this calendar and find the answer of the questions given here. First question is, how many months does a year have? We all know that in a year there are total 12 months. So the answer is 12. Next, list the months which have 30 days. If we see the calendar, we will find out that in the month of April, June, September and November we have 30 days. Next question, list the months which have 31 days. See the calendar again and you will find out that in the months of January, March, May, July, August, October and December we have 31 days. Next, how many days does the month of February have? See the calendar. You will find out that in the month of Feb we have 28 days. So answer is 28. Next, how many days makes a week? We know that there are 7 days in a week. Next, how many weeks are there in July? See the calendar again. In the month of July, you will find out total 4 weeks are there. So, answer is 4. Is it true for all the months? See the calendar carefully. You will find out that yes, it is true for all the months. Next, we are having, in which month did you come to class 3? In the month of April, you came in class 3. Next question, make a circle on these dates in the calendar. 26th January. See the date 26th January in the calendar and circle it. Next date is 14th November. Again see the calendar. The place where 14 date is given, you have to circle that date. Next is 31st December. Again see the calendar and circle the date 31st December. Next question is there something special about these dates? Yes, there is something special. 26th Jan is Republic Day, 14th November is Children's Day, 31st December is New Year's Eve. Next we have fill in the blanks where answers are given in the yellow box. We have to choose the answer from it. First one, which year was it 2 years back? Right now we have with us calendar of 2018. So before 2 years it will be 2016. Next, in which year were you in class 2? Right now 2020 year is going and you are in class 3. So last year you were in class 2. So the answer will be 2019. So you will write here 2019. Next, which year will be the next year? We are considering the calendar of 2018. So next year will be 2019. Next, which year will come after 3 years? We are considering calendar of 2018. So after 3 years it will be 2021. Next we are having, which festival comes first? Given below are some festivals we celebrate during the year. Look at the calendar 2018 to find the days on which these fall. The first date that we have to see is November 7. So in the calendar of 2018, we will find out which day was 7th November. So you will find out that 7th November was Wednesday. Next is January 14. 14th Jan was Sunday. Next is August 26. 26th August was Sunday again. So Sunday. October 2. 2nd October was Tuesday. Next, November 21. 21st November was Wednesday. August 25. 25th August was Saturday. November 23. 23rd November was Friday. Next, January 31. 31st January was Wednesday. Next, December 25. 25th December was a Tuesday. And last, April 15. 15th April was Sunday. Now, we are going to arrange the festivals in the order in which they come in the year. So first will be Pongal, Guru Ravidas birthday, Bihu, Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Milad ul Nabi, Guru Nanak's birthday, and Christmas. Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? Answer will be Pongal. Which festival comes at the end of the year? Answer will be Christmas. Now we are going to see another magic of calendar. Here we are having a calendar of February 2019. We are going to make one square. It has been shown with yellow color. The question asked here is, which is the number in the center of the square? So you can see that 13 is the number which is in the center of the yellow square. Now we are asked to join the three numbers by drawing lines in such a way that they should pass at the center of the square, that is from 13. So we are having these four lines with us. So the question asked here, how many such lines can you draw? Answer will be 4. Now we are going to add the three numbers on each of these lines. Then we will have 5 plus 13 plus 21. Answer is 39. 6 plus 13 plus 20, again 39. 19 plus 13 plus 7, again 39. And 12 plus 13 plus 14, answer is 39. So you found that on adding numbers on any of the lines, the answer remains the same. Next, we have to look at the calendar of 2018. In that, we have to make a square in the present month, that is October, and we have to see whether it works in that month or not. So you can do this in your rough and you can find that we get the same answer every time when we add all the three numbers of all the four lines that we have. So the answer here will be yes. Next, is this magic possible on a 10 by 10 number chart? Go to the chapter Fun with Numbers and check. Here in chapter number 3, we were having 10 by 10 chart where I have drawn a yellow square. If you add all the three numbers on each of the four lines as we have seen earlier, you will get each time 48 as the answer. So we will write yes. Next we have another magic. Here we are considering the month March 2019. A boy is saying, I can add 5 numbers in the box in a moment. The second boy says, oh, that will take some time. The first boy replies, the total is 75. Now the second boy is thinking how he has done so quickly. Let's see what is the magic behind this. Second boy is saying, that's right. How did you do that? The first boy replies, it's very simple. Just multiply the middle number by 5. Let's see how the first boy calculated the answer. He has considered Friday and he has taken all the dates which were on Friday. The numbers are 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. Out of these 5 numbers, 15 is the middle number. So if you multiply 5 into 15, you will get 75. Let us see whether it works for other days or not. Consider Saturday. The middle date is 16. If you multiply 5 and 16, you will get 80. Now add all the numbers 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. You will get 80. So our answer is correct. So here we will write yes, it is applicable for other days too. Next question is, can you find other magic patterns in the calendar? This you will be doing by yourself. Now we have to complete the calendar for August 2018. So you have to just write all the numbers from 1 to 31. You have to color all Sundays red. First question, on which day does this month end? It is ending on Friday. So answer is Friday. Next, write the number of days in this month. There are total 31 days. So answer is 31. Next, what day is it on 13th August? On 13th August, it's Monday. Next, what is the date on the second Saturday? It's 11. So here the answer is 11. Next, is the 21st a Sunday? No, it's a Tuesday. So answer will be no. Next, what is the day on the 29th? On 29th, it's Wednesday. What will be the date on the same day next week? If you see the calendar, on the same day next week, the date will be 5/9/2018. How many Thursdays are there in this month? We are having 5 Thursdays, so answer will be 5. Which months in the calendar have 5 Sundays? If you see the calendar carefully, you will find out April, July, September and December. Is there any other day in any month which comes 5 times? Again, if you see the calendar carefully, you will find out, yes, in all the days. Can there be 6 Sundays in a month? No, it is not possible. So answer will be no. I hope you understood what I have taught today. Happy learning.